Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. If you want to improve your English, you are in the right place. Here, you will learn how to speak with more confidence. Today, I will share some clear and easy tips. These tips will help you practice English every day. So, stay with me till the end of the video. English is a global language and a powerful way to connect with people around the world. Many people study English to go abroad, travel, work in international companies, or make friends in other countries. English can also help you learn more from the internet, read international books, and understand global culture. But learning English is more than just reading books or learning grammar rules. To really become good at English, speaking is very important. Speaking English builds your confidence and helps you use the language in real-life situations. When you speak more, you become more comfortable using English in different places, like school, work, or travel. Many learners feel nervous or shy when speaking. They worry about making mistakes or forgetting words. But the best way to get over this fear is by speaking often. You don't need perfect grammar to speak. What matters is trying your best. The more you speak, the more fluent and relaxed you'll become. An easy way to practice is by talking to yourself in English. You can talk about your day, your plans, or how you feel. This is a good habit, especially if you don't have a speaking partner. Stand in front of a mirror and pretend you're talking to a friend. This will help you think in English and improve your speaking and pronunciation. Another helpful way is to speak with others. Try to find a speaking partner. Join a speaking club, or join an online group. You can even talk to someone for just 5 minutes a day. That's enough to make progress. Talking in English with your friends or classmates is a great way to learn new words and improve your sentences. Even if you make mistakes, it's okay. Mistakes help you learn faster and better.
Listening is also part of speaking practice. Watching English movies, listening to English songs, or following podcasts helps you hear how native speakers talk. It trains your ears and helps you understand the rhythm of English. Try to repeat what they say. Copy their pronunciation, tone, and style. This will make your own English sound more natural. To get better at speaking, you should practice daily, even for just a few minutes. You don't need to spend hours. Consistency is the key. Try learning new words and using them in your own sentences. Even one new sentence a day is useful. Record your voice and listen to how you speak. You'll start to notice what needs improvement. Celebrate your progress and never stop trying. Speaking is the most important skill to improve your English. It helps you feel more confident and speak smoothly. So don't be afraid. Speak to yourself, your friends, or anyone who can help. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start speaking now. Practice every day because practice makes perfect. Every sentence you speak brings you one step closer to becoming fluent. Learning English is a journey that opens many doors for knowledge, communication, and future success. You can meet new people, enjoy new cultures, and grow in your career. For many learners, the hardest part is not grammar or vocabulary, it's speaking English with confidence in daily life. But with the right attitude and regular practice, anyone can improve. First, speaking well needs regular practice. Just reading or learning new words is not enough. You must speak often and clearly. Speaking trains your mouth and tongue to say words correctly. Your mouth muscles also need training to speak smoothly. It also helps you think directly in English without translating. One good way to start is to speak to yourself when you are alone. Explain what you're doing, talk about your thoughts, or try short conversations.
Next, try to speak with other people. You can find a speaking buddy who is also learning, or join online practice groups. Speaking with others helps you stay motivated and excited. If possible, talk with fluent or native speakers on language exchange apps or social media. Don't worry about being perfect. Mistakes mean you're learning. Communication is more important than perfection. Listening is also important for speaking. When you listen to English songs, movies, or interviews, you learn how people really use the language. You learn everyday expressions, slang, and real conversations. Try to repeat what you hear. Follow the pronunciation, tone, and emotion. Copying native speakers helps you speak more naturally. Also, try to set small goals every day. For example, learn and use 5 new words daily, or speak in English for 10 minutes non-stop. Writing down your goals in a notebook can help you stay focused. These small habits will slowly grow your speaking power and confidence. Most importantly, be patient and stay positive. Many people feel shy or nervous in the beginning, but don't give up. Keep speaking. Confidence comes with practice and time. Over time, you will see big changes. You'll speak clearly, have longer talks, and even start to think in English. In the end, speaking English well is possible. It takes time, effort, and daily practice. But if you speak, listen, and learn a little every day, you will get better. Even 1% improvement each day leads to big results in the future. Make speaking a part of your daily life. You'll improve fast and connect with people from all over the world. So start now. Speak more, make mistakes, keep learning, and enjoy the beautiful journey of becoming a confident English speaker.